Hello friends. Hope you are doing well. Today I want to tell you about a voiceover software, which is free and very efficient and easy to use. I bet you will love this software after using it. Now without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, if you have not subscribed Extreme GFX, go and subscribe it for a lot more stuff. Sometimes we need a good narrator for our projects like animated videos, etc. For this purpose, many online options are also available, but I want to tell you about a totally offline free narrating software, which is named as Balabolka. The download link is given below in the description box. You can download it for free. Now we move to the website. When website is opened, you can see here the Balabolka download button. Just press it and download will be started. I have already downloaded it. Let's install this software. Now you see the process and follow the steps. So, the software is installed. We open it now. Here it is. If we look up the interface, it's very simple and easy to use. In the file menu, some file options are present like new, open files, save as, and audio file saving options. We have some edit options. After that, text related options are present. Next, there are some speech options present. And voice options we can set from the menu and also present in the front here. Some other options related to audio files are also here. Next, there are some view options. And after that, some tools like file splitter, batch file converter, and much more are also present. I type some text as sample so that you can actually know its quality. After typing the text, I play it from here.
This text I am typing here is sample for testing purpose. I hope you are enjoying this video and it will be very helpful for you. You can share your experience in the comments section.
When it's look fine, I can export this file as audio. Now I export this file at desktop. File exported successfully. Now we open the file and listen it to check how good and natural this voice is.
This text I am typing here is sample for testing purpose. I hope you are enjoying this video and it will be very helpful for you. You can share your experience in the comments section.
Have you listened? The sound quality is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful for your projects. If you like this video, please thumbs up for the video, also share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Also don't forget to press bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay blessed.